All right, y'all. So I want to show y'all what I do when I get my crystals. You got to know that it's very important to clean your crystals. That's right, because we got to remember, before we have our crystals, before we have them in our presence, other people have them. And we understand that a lot of demonic energy comes with people. So we want to make sure that we clean. You want to make sure that you clean all of the negative energy that is maybe upon your crystal. So what I like to do is go in a circular motion, y'all. And what I'm doing is cleaning the crystal, cleansing it from all of the negative, toxic, demonic spirits and energies and things like that. Something that you could do is say a cleansing affirmation where you're clearing, the energies. And I ain't going to tell y'all exactly what to say, because at the end of the day, you're your own person. You can do your own thing. But I just want to show y'all an example of what I like to do, because in order for the crystals to really work for you, you have to set your own intention on them as well. Even though we know that the crystals, they're going to do what they do because they all represent different things, but you also can add your own personal intentions. That's going to amplify the energies that are stored within the crystals, because you are connecting yourself, with the crystals. You putting your signature on it. So anyway, I just wanted to show y'all what I like to do. And yeah, get you some sage and just clean your crystals. Cleanse it. And then just set your own personal intention to the crystal. And yeah, just watch your life manifest and vibrate to the next level. Anyway, I just want to show y'all that. But also, y'all, make sure that you get outside in nature. Do some groundwork. Put your feet on the ground, on the grass, so you can connect back with nature. We understand that when you put your bare feet on the ground, nature will detoxify any negative energy that is stored within you. If we want the crystals and things like that to work, we got to understand that it's other elements and other things that we have to do. We can't have these crystals on us, but still, we got a lot of toxic energy, because we don't do things like groundwork. So get outside, put your hands on the ground, put your feet on the ground, and just get you some of this vitamin source up there, some of this sunlight, and clear any negative energies that are around you that are, just not good for you. So I just want to share this message with y'all, because this is extremely important during this time, so-called time. So get outside, get some nature, put your feet on the grass, try not to wear things like tennis shoes a lot, because the reason they even got us wearing tennis shoes is because it's constantly keeping us disconnected from the earth. So try not to wear sneakers a lot. I recommend them not wearing them at all. But if you do, which I still do, just make sure that you are outside, placing your feet on the ground and charging up your crystals. And you also, y'all, I want y'all to remember that you yourself, you are a natural crystal. The same way those crystals that I just showed y'all, your body is made out of those same minerals. You are a walking crystal. So this is why it's important for you to sage your own self. Sage yourself, get some sunlight, and yeah, just watch your life manifest and amplify to the next level. So anyway, I ain't gonna talk too much longer. I just want to make this video to let y'all know that, even though I know I talk a lot about, all of the things that are happening in this matrix, we still have to remember that you have to begin to let all that stuff go and focus on this positive stuff, because we can know all of this knowledge, but if we're not applying it and we're not doing what we're supposed to do, just knowing the knowledge, just knowing about these reptilians and things like that, we can't focus on that after a while. I put the message out there, but it's just time for us to do our part now. And doing our part is charging our stuff up, still learning more and more knowledge, and just, transcending. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. Till the next time, this is Charkra the Goddess. Take care of yourself. I'm out. Peace.